Okay, once you get back into the lab, you're going to want to extract the positional information from the video. And there are a variety of ways to do that, but for this lab, we're going to do a fairly simple way. First, you're just going to open up Logger Pro. I think you have an icon for that on your screen. We're just going to use Logger Pro to view the video frame by frame. So go to Insert and Movie. Insert Movie, and then find your video. For me, I have it on my desktop. Do this high-speed one, and notice that I can move the bar down here at the bottom until it starts, and have it go frame by frame. So these bars right here will advance the video one frame at a time. So one frame is not 1 second. In fact, one frame on the drone videos, it records at 30 frames per second. So there are 1/30th of a second per frame. So we'll account for that right eventually, but right now we just want to go frame by frame. And now you're going to take a piece of tape and you're going to place it on the screen. I'm going to put it right here on the 0-yard line. Right now I'm just putting that tape on the screen. Of course, you can't see it because I'm doing it, in the real world. Let me show you what a picture of that looks like. So this is my screen right now. I have the football field and I have this piece of orange masking tape on the screen right on the 0-yard line. Now, I want to know how long does it take for the drone to get here up to the 5-yard line. So I'm going to go and I'm going to count the frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it took 13 frames. I'm going to go to my spreadsheet. I'll start a new spreadsheet. This is going to be in this column. This will be my frames. I start at 0, 0. This is the yard line. I'm going to the 5-yard line. And what did I say? 13 frames. So I have 13 frames. And then I go back to my video. And now I want to know how long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 frames. So it's speeding up a bit. So I have 12 frames to get to the next one, and that's the 10-yard line. And then I can do that over and over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, I'll say 11. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 11 and then 10. Use your judgment on that. And that's to go to the 15 and then to the 20-yard line. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to move this over. I want to convert these frames to times because remember, I'm shooting at 30 frames per second. Let's write this down. So my drone shoots videos at 30 frames per second. Sorry about that. My pen's not working, so that's okay. I'll just say it in words. My drone shoots at 30 frames per second. That means that each frame is 1/30th of a second. So you're going to use an equation in Excel. I think y'all have done this before. I'm going to take the number of frames and multiply it times parentheses 1 divided by 30. And I can copy that down and I get the amount of time that elapses. But I actually want to know the total time that has elapsed. So I'm going to, right here, I'm going to say plus C2. And that'll give me the total elapsed time. So I have 0.4 seconds have elapsed, 0.8 seconds, 1.2 seconds, 1.53 seconds, and on and on and on. And what I get is a total time elapsed and a total distance that has elapsed. I now have a positional and time data for the drone flying along these paths. I want you to do that for both speeds, the 15 kilometer per hour and the 30 kilometer per hour.